Good morning, friends. Developing a great vocabulary is one of the most overlooked ways to improve our lives. With this thought, I am here with today's The Hindu editorial word. I have inscribed name of the article, so when you went through the article, after learning these words, you will be easily able to understand the whole article. So let's start with the first topic. The first topic is step by step on India-China leg standoff. So the first word is abide. Spelling A-B-I-D-E, abide. When it is used as a verb, it means accept or act in accordance with a rule, decision or recommendation. Hindi meaning is palan karna. When it is used in informal way, it means be unable to tolerate someone or something. In Hindi meaning bardasht karna. For first example, if there is one thing I cannot abide, it is abusive language. The second example would be affiliated colleges have to abide by the rules of their patron university. Next word is knave. Spelling N-A-I-V-E, knave. When it is used as adjective, it means without enough experience of life and too ready to believe other people. In simple words, we can say innocent. Its Hindi meaning is bhola bhala. For example, he has a very naive attitude towards politics. The second example would be I was too naive to realize what was happening. The next word is skirmish. It means a short fight between group of peoples. Its Hindi meaning is jhadap. For example, sometimes cricketers got into a skirmish during the match. The second example would be rebels skirmished with nearby American forces. Our next topic is selling space on SpaceX mission to space. The first word in this topic is propensity. Spelling P-R-O-P-E-N-S-I-T-Y. Its meaning is a habit of behaving in a particular way or tendency. Its Hindi meaning is विशेष प्रकार की प्रवृत्ति. For example, he has a propensity for getting into debt. The second example would be he showed a propensity for kindness. Our next word is rubric. Spelling R-U-B-R-I-C, rubric. It means a title or set of instruction or set of rules. In Hindi meaning, it means मुख्य निर्देश. For example, fly, test, fail, fix has been the rubric followed by SpaceX. This particular example I have taken from this article from the Hindu editorial. The next word is arbiter. Its spelling is A-R-B-I-T-E-R, arbiter. It means someone who makes a judgment, solves an argument or negotiator. Its Hindi meaning is vivachak. For example, many of times Gandhiji played a role of arbiter between British government and Indians. So, these were some important words of today's Hindu editorial. Thank you for paying attention and watching this video. I will be back tomorrow with new bunch of words. Till then, keep learning and keep sharing. Thank you.